Let's go where no one has ever been. A world unseen beneath our skin.